All right, Pac Minis, last three problems of the quiz slash review. We're getting used to this here. So Ari bought a 5-gallon aquarium. She uses a 1-quart container to fill it up. How many times does Ari need to fill the 1-quart container in order to fill up the 5-gallon aquarium? So I'm going from gallons here to quarts, right? So I want you to pause it and tell me what you think, and think about what you would need to do. Solve it. You've got 15, 20, 25, and 30 here. What do you think the answer would be? Pause. And I come back. Okay, so if I want to go from gallons to quarts, quarts are smaller, I need more, so I must multiply, right? And if I look at my chart, how many quarters are in a gallon? It's of course 4. So my expression should be 5 times 4. I'm not doing that for you. All right. Okay, let's try the next one. All right. It's taking a second. Technical difficulties. All right, we got it. Steven is making 2 gallons of his favorite juice. If he plans to store the juice in 1-pint containers, how many 1-pint containers will he need? This is almost identical to the last problem. It's not quarts, it's pints. How many pints are in a quart? 2, right? And quarts in a gallon is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And if I look at my chart and I want to go from gallons to pints, it says 8, which means I multiply by 8. So how many gallons do I have? There's 2 of them, times how many pints are in a gallon? Well, there's 8 of them. And boom, I'm done. Not doing that one for you either. All right, last problem. The average length of Pac-Man maze is 111 inches. What is the length of the maze in feet and inches? So I get feet and inches, which means I have a remainder, so I know I'm going to be doing division, which makes sense. I'm not going to multiply inches to get to feet, right? That's going to be crazy. So how many inches are in a foot? 12, right? So I would take 111 and divide that by 12. Okay, so can I take 12 out of 11? I can't. I got to take it out of 111. And if I look at the answers over here, I know that it's probably not 314,698,879. So I can eliminate that one, right? I gotta know, is it 11, 10, or 9? Well, is my first digit gonna go in the tens, the hundreds, or the ones? It's not gonna go in the hundreds because I can't take 12 from 1. It can't go in the tens because I can't take 12. It's gonna have to go in the ones place, which is the only answer that has it in the ones. It's gonna be this one, all right? And here's a little clue for a quiz like this. If I have 9 here, and I know that 10 times 12 is 120, it's too much. It's got to be this answer. I don't even have to do the work, but I'm going to do it anyway. Another thing that might work if you have 2 of these, what number should I try first? I'm going to try a 9, right? So I'm going to take 12 times 9. 12 times 9, we should know this on a multiplication chart or in our head, or we can do it this way. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. I got 108. So I know that it's 9 here. Right, and I'm going to subtract 108. Okay, and I know that it's probably going to be 3 inches because I know the difference between 11 and 8 is 3. I can't take 8 from 1, so I cross that out, make it a 0, and that still is an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3, so I get 9 with a remainder of 3. So this is the first answer. I know that's what it is based on the fact was where I placed my first digit. I know that it's probably a 9 because I have a 9 here. I don't need to guess around because I have it. And this is proof that it actually does work out. All right, I hope that is helpful to you if you needed it. All right, thank you. Bye.